how to use M&S gift card online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site mns.com. Once you're in here, tap on this person icon. You have to click on sign in and then enter all of your access details. You will be logged into your account. Now what you want to do is head over to any of the product that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to buy this one. Select the size and then click on add to cart. Review your order and then click on checkout. Once again tap on checkout securely. In this space, below the option of total to pay, you'll find the option where it says pay by gift card or reward voucher. Tap on it. Now in this section, what you want to do is simply enter your gift card number and then click on apply. Once it is done, your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem M&S gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.